the horns. Let's go ahead and get started. One of the common things that we see with a stock that shows a positive 30% plus day, among other things of course, is a combination of a small float and a lack of options trading. Now, a small float makes it that much more difficult for a short trader to cover, and a lack of options makes it a lot more difficult to hedge a bet. That is exactly why when Coffee Holdings Company, symbol JVA, reported impressive earnings results today, its stock went up 43%. Now, Coffee Holdings Company went up $3.64 to close at $12.14, up almost 43% in one day. And its average trading volume is around 285,000 shares. Volumes today was 3.8 million shares. Coffee Holding Company was trading at only $4 at the beginning of March of this year, just 3 months ago. So what's going on with JVA making it triple in price in just 3 months? Well, Coffee Holding Company, simply enough, offers wholesale green coffee, private label coffee, and branded coffee. The company describes itself as a family-operated business for over 30 years. And the company just announced results for the 3 and 6 months ending on April 30th, 2011. So the reports for net sales, as you can see here, for the 6 months ending as of April 30th, 2011, were at $62,973,110. And for the 3 months ending April 30th, 2011, the net sales was $37,332,017. Now, we compare that with the net sales for 2010, and we see that for the 6 months ending in April 30th, 2010, the net sales were only $41,276,459, and for the 3 months ending April 30th of 2010, it was only $19,917,308. For the 3 months ending April 30th of 2011, Coffee Holdings saw an 87% rise versus the 3 months ending in 2010 where they only saw an 11.4% rise. Now, net income for 2011, as we see here, was at $1,187,957, or 22 cents per share, which is basic and diluted, for that 3-month period ending April 30th, 2011. And as you can see, the blue line here represents the 2010 net income, which was just at $800,448, or 15 cents per share for the basic and diluted, for that same 3-month period of ending in April 30th of 2010. So Mr. Andrew Gordon, the president and CEO of Coffee Holdings Company, attributes the results in part to the continuing high price of green unroasted coffee, which many industry experts believe will remain elevated for the foreseeable future in price. He also attributes it to the extended higher commodity prices as well as heightened market volatility, which have made it both financially difficult for many smaller roasters to purchase large amounts of coffee on their own. Now, the unanticipated consequences of these higher prices is that we have picked up many of these roasters as new customers, this is what he's saying, who can now rely on us for a wide variety of high-quality Arabic coffees. Now, the CEO also described efforts to grow its customer base in China and its line in Spanish coffee brands as well. So here we can see the stock Coffee Holdings Company, what it did today, again, up just shy 43%. You can see it's been making a steady path upwards, and then today really jumped up. Again, like we discussed a little earlier, huge volume today on a pretty thinly traded stock most times. So we saw quite a big rise here. And as Andrew Gordon, the president and CEO, summed up there, that's his belief as to why, and it makes sense. The company sports a tiny float of only 2.15 million and shares outstanding of 5.49 million. Now, if the company continues to post good numbers, it could be a takeout candidate sometime down the road. Now, the last surge in March saw its stock retreat about 35% in a matter of days. So really be careful trying to chase this one. As always, we hope that you were able to get something out of this presentation. Again, we really appreciate you viewing us here. And get out there, go grab the horns.